Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter trigonometry, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are trigonometric ratios, find a side length, trigonometric ratios, find an angle measure, and solve a right triangle. So here I am on grade 9 math. Let's just start with the lesson. That is trigonometric ratios, find the side length. Let's just start with the example. Find VW. You are given with a triangle, you need to find the missing side length, right? You are given two of the angles and one of the side length, right? So you can find the third angle. You have to find VW, right? So you can find for this angle, you can find sine 51, right? Because sine 51 equals VW divided by 9, right? So VW equals sine 51 times 9. This is sine 51. You have to multiply it by the 9 and the value is 6.99. That means this side length is around 7. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, find HI. You have to find the length of the side HI. You are given the angle I, right? So you need to calculate the cos of angle 46 degrees. Cos of 46 equals HI divided by JI, right? HI you need to find, JI is 7. You have to calculate cos 46. Let me just calculate the cos 46 equals 0.694. We need to multiply it by the 7, right? Zero 0.6946 times 7. That is 4.86, and you can run it up to 4.9. That means HI equals 4.9. Got it? So HI equals 4.9. Okay, the next one is find IK, right? This side you need to find, right? Again, you need to do cos 59. That is IK divided by JK. Cos 59 equals IK is, IK you need to find that is 7. So ik equals cos 59 times 7, right? Okay, cos 59 times 7. Cos 59 is 0.5150 multiply by 7, that is 3.6. The correct option is 3.6 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 3.6. The next one is find hj. Okay, let's see how we need to find hj, right? Okay, how do you hj? You can calculate cos 42 again, right? Cos 42 equals hj divided by ji. So cos 42 equals hj divided by 3. So hj equals 3 times cos 42. Let's just calculate cos 42. 0.7431 times 3, that equals 2.2. So that means the correct option is 2.2, right? Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 2.2. The next one is find QR. Now you need to calculate the sine of angle 49, right? Because you need to find this side. Sine 49 equals QR divided by 8. So QR equals 8 times sine 49. So just evaluate the value, use your calculator, evaluate the value and let me know the correct option. Sine 49 equals 0.7547. 0.7547 times 8, that is 6.0. The correct option is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Okay, next one you have to evaluate and write the correct option in the chat box, right? I'm waiting for the answer from your side. Okay, find HI. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? You need to evaluate cos of 90. You have to evaluate, right? You need to do cos 90 times 5. So cos 90, no, but okay, you can do sine 24, right? Okay, sine 24, that is 0.4067 times 5, that is 2.0. The correct option is 2.0, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is trigonometric ratios, find an angle measure. So the one we have just finished is we find the side length, right? Now we're going to learn how do we find the angle measure. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. They are already solved. You can have a look on them later today, right? Okay, now just look at this triangle. You need to calculate the angle A, right? Here is angle A. You are given the hypotenuse and the opposite. You can calculate sine of angle A. That would be BC divided by AC. So A you have to find, right? BC is 7, AC is 8. Just divide 7 over 8, right? That is 0.875. You have to take sine inverse both sides because you need to calculate the value of just A. You have to remove, hold on, you have to do 7 over 8. So sine inverse of 0.875. Sine and sine inverse cancel out. You are left with A, and sine inverse of 0.875 is 61 degrees. That means angle A measures 61 degrees. Basically, you have to form the same proportions like you were doing earlier, right? But you have to see which trigonometric ratio you can apply. Like, I know that you are given the um, opposite and the hypotenuse, so you can apply sine of angle A, right? That is 61 degrees. Got it? Okay, the next one is measurement of angle H. You need to find the angle H, right? Let's see which trigonometric ratio you can apply, right? You know that the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So You can calculate cos of angle h, right? Because cos of angle h is gh divided by fh. So cos of angle h is gh is 4, fh is 6. So that is 4 over 6. And then you have to apply the inverse of the cos so that you can calculate the value of cos only. That is 0.666. So you have to do cos inverse. So cos inverse 0.6666, that is 48.2 degrees. The correct option is 48.2 degrees, right? That is 48.2 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is measurement of angle K. So how do we find the K? You are given, you can use sine of angle K, right? Let's just calculate the K. Sine K is GJI divided by JK. JI is 9, JK is 10. Sine inverse 0.9 is 64.2. The correct option is 64.2. Find angle V. So which is the correct option? You can evaluate the question on your notebook and write the correct option. That is, you have to evaluate sine of angle V, right? That is 4 over 9 is 0.444. Sine inverse 0.44, that is 26.4. The correct option is 26.4 is the correct option. Got it? Measurement of angle Q. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is 41.4 degrees. The correct option is 41.4 degrees, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is solve a right triangle. Let's just see how do we solve a right angle triangle, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice question. Basically, solving a right triangle means you need to calculate all three angles and all three sides, right? Okay, solve the right triangle. You are given one of the angle, one of two of the angle, and one of the side. So you can find the third angle very easily. The sum of all the angles in a triangle must be 180. So you can measurement of angle C plus measurement of angle D and plus measurement of angle B equals 180 degree, right? C you need to calculate. D is 63 plus 90. Move, add them and subtract them from the other side, right? So 90 plus 63 equals 153 and 180 minus 153 is 27 degrees, right? That means the missing angle is 90 plus 63, 153 minus 180, that is, sorry, 153 minus 180, that is 27 degrees. The correct option is 27, right? Okay, now we need to find the other sides, right? Let's see how do we calculate. 90 plus 63 minus 180. Okay, let's see, we have to calculate sine 63 equals CD divided by CB. So sine 63 equals CD you have to calculate and CB is 9. So you need to do CD equals 9 times sine 63, right? So sine 63 equals, sine 63 is, sine 63 equals 0.8910. So 0.8910 times 9, that equals 8.0. Hold on, let me just sine 63 0.8910 and 0.8910 times 9. That is 8.019, but they all have different values. Hold on. Let me just see what's wrong with this question. Just 1 minute, okay? How this angle is 41? Your angles are different, given solution is different. I don't know what's wrong with the questions. Okay, the question is different, the solution is different. So don't focus on the given solution, right? You need to do the same things I am doing, and you also have the same answers I have, right? So do not confuse. Okay, now you have this side, that is 8.8, you can say it. Now you can calculate the other side by using the Pythagorean theorem, right? The Pythagorean theorem is the sum of the hypotenuse square c square equals a square plus b square. C is 9, 9 square equals 8 square plus b square. Move this 8 square other side. 9 times 9 is 81 minus 64 equals b. So 81 minus 64 is 81 minus 64 is 17, right? So b equals square root 17, b square it is. So b equals square root 17 and square root 17 is 4.1. That means the other side is 4.1. Got it? The correct option is 4.1. Okay, let's just move on to next one. You can select any of the option because okay, the next one is solve the triangle. Okay, you can find the third angle by adding the two givens and subtracting it from 180, right? So 90 plus 39 is 90 plus 39 is 129 and 129 minus 180 is 51 degrees. That means the angle C equals 51, right? Now just find the other. Okay. Mm, Sine 39 equals CD divided by CB. CB is 8. So CD equals 8 times sine 39, right? 5.0. So CD equals 5.0. This is now 5. You can find the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is hypotenuse. Sum of squares of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So 8 square equals 5 square plus a square. So a square equals 64 minus 25. 39 it is, right? And that is 6.2. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 51 degrees. 6.2 and 5.0, option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, solve the right triangle. Now you can solve and write the correct option in the chat box. I'm waiting for the answer from your side. Which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Because I know the angle is 55. So the sides must be 4 and 5.7, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Solve the right triangle. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 2, 3.0, 7.4, and 68 degrees, right? Solve the right triangle. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is option number 2. Angle is 26 degrees, 4.4, and 9.0 is the correct option, right? The missing angle is 26, the sides are 4.4 and 9.0. That's the second one. The next one is solve the right triangle. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is option number 1 is the correct option. 66 degrees, 4.6, and 2.0 is the correct option, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is trigonometry, and the lessons we have covered are trigonometric ratios, find a side length, trigonometric ratios, find an angle measure, and solve a right triangle, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that's daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.